Hey everyone, it's been a while since the last video I did, but I now have my tablet now installed in the car. As you can see, it's all neat and tidy, looks quite flush, and if I turn on the ignition, or turn on the electrics, it comes on straight away. There we go. If I start the car, comes up, takes a few seconds to connect to the ECU. But once it's connected, you can see that it's now tracking the car. So it's all, the audio is connected to my Bluetooth head unit, and you can see it's already connected right now. It automatically goes into a pause state, and as soon as I pause, it just continues the last track where I was playing from. You can see here if I rev up the car, there's a slight sort of split-second delay in the information going there because I'm currently using a Bluetooth ODB reader. I'm about to replace it today, in fact, with this one, which is a USB based one, so that allows for immediate signal sending without any Bluetooth delay. There is obviously a slight audio delay with Bluetooth audio, but that's not a big deal when it comes to music and movies. So let's have a look here. If I hit home, there's the front end, all the usual Android bits and pieces. So if I want to go to a movie, for example, go here. Pacific Rim's already up here, so I'll just play that. Jump halfway in.
You kill yourself.
And that's coming through without a problem. I can adjust the volume through here.
There she is.
It's working quite nicely. I can also use my Sony remote to adjust the volume as well. Make it a bit easier. And if I press the information button here, the head unit will actually show me the movie of the title as well.
So beautiful. She looks like new.
So if I go out of here, stop that. Go back to home, and let's go to music's already here. So if I hit play here, music starts playing straight away as well. And also if I go down here and press the pause button here, it does absolutely nothing. There we go. So it's playing the music, and also passes the music title down. If I press the information button, I get the artist as well. So that works pretty well. And then at any time I can just jump back to Talk Pro I should say. And that's also constantly logging on my car trips as well. Anything over 10 minutes long, it actually saves in its trip list, which is under map view. Under map view, there we go. So it gives you a list of all the trips that you've ever done, and you can actually see what speed you've done and so forth. So let's say you got booked for speeding and you swear you weren't speeding, you could use this information to prove that you weren't. So get out of that. I've also got the racing meter plug-in happening here, which is great for track work. And just change displays. That's my most used display there. So I've got the shift light up here, gear position here, cooler temperature, intake air temperature, load on the engine, etc, etc. A lot of fun. You know that one? I normally just leave it at the normal Talk Pro display, which is entertaining enough. Yeah, so that's where we're at. I've still got to do some other modifications. I've still got to work on putting the reverse camera in. Also want to do some, I haven't actually installed a USB port for just plugging in external devices yet. So yeah, lots of little things I want to still add to this. But for now it's working great. Navigation and maps, it works beautifully. Actually, there's something I can show you. So let's say I put some music on. So let's turn this down. Put some music on. And under normal circumstances I'll be looking at this. And on my phone, just unlock my phone quickly. So on my phone, if I start making a call or receive a call, so let's say I'm going to make a call to an arbitrary number, just something that doesn't exist, doesn't really matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully this isn't somebody's actual phone number. As soon as I do that, as soon as I call, it will actually interrupt. You can see there, head unit's just switched over to phone mode, and now it's making a phone call. It interrupts the music, and that's actually someone's phone number, so I'm going to hang up. And when I hang up, it just resumes the music. Looks like a charm. It's pretty cool. Now that's the multimedia audio is connected from the Bluetooth head unit, from the tablet to the Bluetooth head unit, and phone audio is only connected from the phone to the head unit. So if I play any multimedia on my phone, such as music, navigation and so forth, that'll come through the phone speaker, but call audio immediately goes over to the head unit. Likewise, if I try to do any call audio with the tablet, it only comes through the tablet speakers, but the multimedia audio is coming through the head unit. So let's have a look at other little features like my phone here. If I go into my car folder and bring up tablet talk, and on the tablet do the same thing, bring up tablet talk. I need to bring up that one first. And we have to connect to the phone, so that'll connect. And it might help first if I enable it here. This is the only annoying thing with the Tablet Talk application. It doesn't auto-connect, unfortunately. I'm sure a future version will fix that. But for now, there we go. It's connected, and now it's connected to the tablet. It synchronises all my messages. So I could read and send SMSs on the phone, on the tablet, sorry. If I go back out here now and go back to phone, the phone application, I can now make phone calls through the tablet. So again, if I pick up a random number, it's 8 digits, isn't it? Yep. And then ring, it'll actually control the phone. There we go. And now it's dialing that number.
The number you have called is not connected.
Good, that's what I
Please
expected.
check the number before calling
So
again.
now I can hang up there, and it'll hang up the phone, and it resumes the music again after that, which is very cool. Now, in terms of internet access, at the moment I'm just doing tethering, so if I bring up my tethering on my phone and enable it. Alright, so that enables it over there, and we just wait for it to connect there. Come on. Waiting. There we go. Right. Okay. So now I can bring up navigation, and let's say I want to. I know, as you can see, I sort of dance around here. It brings up all the maps without a problem. So let's say I want to go somewhere. Let's go to the Opera House. I should be doing internet search. And for some reason that's taking a while. It doesn't normally take this long, but I am inside a car park, so it's possible my internet is not that hot through the phone at the moment. Well, let's say I was going to just go, and I go to the rocks. Should be able to do that. There we go. Hold down. And yeah, the internet is not being very good at all right now. What's going on here? Actually, I just realised I'm probably not even connected. I'm connected to the house. Let's see if I can connect back to, no, you're choosing the house. I don't want the house, I want you to use my phone. My internet at home has been a bit rubbish lately, so let's try that again. We have to wait for it to connect. There we go. Hey, now we got it. A bit more instantaneous. So now I can do navigation. And let's start navigation. Now it's probably not going to say anything because I'm out of GPS range at the moment. But what it'll do is it'll actually overlay the instructions for GPS navigation over the top of music. If I get a phone call, I won't hear any navigation at all. But that's okay because I can see it on the screen anyway. But that works pretty well. All fits in with the car speakers, works great. So yeah, that's my setup at the moment and works pretty well. I'll give you more updates later.